NG-CHM, developed by MD Anderson, is the MDA next-generation clustered heat map tool that allows dynamic clustering, visualization, and linkouts of heat maps. In this tutorial, I will show you how to set up and run the NG-CHM heat map generator tool in Galaxy running in a Docker container. Galaxy is a popular open-source bioinformatics pipeline framework, and Docker is a container management system that makes it easy to install and run applications. If you don't have Docker, follow the instructions on the Docker install page. We have constructed a Docker image with a copy of Galaxy that already has our NG-CHM generation and visualization tool installed. Use the command on our Docker Hub page to install and run the Galaxy image with the NG-CHM tools. To install and run the Galaxy container, use the Docker run command. It may take a moment for this file to download. If you use the Docker stop command on the Galaxy container, you can restart the container again with the Docker start command, and all the previous history data and your user login are preserved. Once you get the prompt back after the Docker start, Galaxy is running and you can reconnect to it with your internet browser. Galaxy will work on most internet browsers, but Chrome is preferred. Connect to Galaxy using port 8888. If this is your first time using Galaxy, you need to go to the top bar, click User, and then Register. Once you click Submit, you'll be brought back to the Galaxy homepage. On the left is a list of your Galaxy tools, and on the right is the history, which contains input data, processing steps, and the output results of each step. The first step to creating a heat map is to import the data matrix file. One easy way to do this is to click the Import button at the top of the Tools panel. Once the next dialog box opens, you can choose how you would like to import your data matrix file. Once you've picked the file you want to import, click Start and then Close. Now you'll see the imported file show up on the right side of the screen in your history. While the file is yellow, it is still importing and will turn green when it is ready to be used. To use the NG-CHM, your file must be a text data matrix file that is tab delimited with row 1 containing column labels and the first column containing row labels. In this example, the columns are patient samples, the rows are genes, and the numerical matrix values represent gene expression. Next, you want to click on the Heat Map Generation link, and under that menu, select the MDA Heat Map Generation tool. Now select the data matrix file, name that heat map, and optionally provide a description for the heat map. Different ways to cluster the heat map can be selected in the tool drop-down menus. In a subsequent video, we will go over these in more detail and explain covariate bars. Now click Execute and your generated heat map will show up on the right side, in your history. Once the heat map generation step turns green, it is ready to be viewed. Click on your heat map and from that drop-down, select the bar graph item that says Visualize NG-CHM Heat Map. In the center section, you now have a dynamic interactive heat map of your data to explore. You can select portions of the heat map to examine in detail, pan, zoom, and search. Please see our NG-CHM Heat Map Navigation Basics video to see the many dynamic capabilities of the NG-CHM Heat Map Viewer.